Good morning, everybody.
Hey, welcome back.
It's Frank and Carrie. Who are Frank and Carrie? Frank and Carrie are just regular people that like to do things themselves.
Yes.
We found an old abandoned mansion that we bid on. We didn't bid enough, obviously, because we won the auction, the foreclosure auction, and we wound up with this really wonderful house.
She's a jewel.
And we're getting better every single second. But as far as what are we doing, we're just trying to fix this place up because nobody else would have fixed it up.
No.
And nobody else could have afforded to fix it up. They would have brought in contractors to check it out, and the contractors would have said, yeah, we aren't doing it. And if they said, yes, we are going to do it, they would have done it with modern techniques, and this house would have lasted another 20 years, and it would be done.
Yeah.
We rescued it just in time to make sure it didn't fall down. I mean, it wouldn't have lasted much longer.
No. And our goal is to reuse the things that they did, like the hotline mortar. That is something that we know that this house needs to help her remain strong and watertight.
The slate roof. We want to keep the slate roof. We enjoy working on it. We like the antique stuff. We like the patina. We don't want this to look like a brand new house when we're done.
No, she has a beautiful history, and she deserves to have that history shown.
And as far as what are we doing after, it's going to take us so long. We can put that off for a little while because we have to do a lot of stonework still. It just was never taken care of. We got to figure out box gutters, which are hidden gutters, Yankee gutters. You can YouTube that or look up some YouTube videos on that. We're just trying to fix it.
Yeah.
And we still have lots of work to do, and we'll do some little stuff along the way, like we're gonna refinish one of the doors so we can put it back up.
Right.
But we're just here. We put out YouTube videos just because we're documenting our journey. If you don't necessarily like our YouTube videos, there are tons of YouTube videos out there. Chateaus and other people fixing up houses, other people starting off-grid houses. I mean, we watch tons of videos as well.
We're just keeping it real. It's what you see on our channel is what we do.
So we're more DIY couple than YouTube couple.
Yeah, so that's very true.
So we love the people that are here watching, and there's some people that have been following our journey for 3 years.
Right.
And we're getting close to our 3-year anniversary video.
At the end of the month, that one will come out. This week's video, we're going to be continuing from last week. In that back stairwell, this time we are going up to the attic, and we're tearing down the lath and plaster there, and just doing some more demo up there in Discovery. So
but we do what we do.
It is what we do.
Thanks for watching.
Until next time. So now we're moving up to the 3rd floor. We have a motion light stuck in the wall. It fell behind.
A year ago, at least.
Yeah. And a lot of that stuff just going straight through.
I think the motion light might have went through.
Yeah, it probably did.
nice spot I have to redo.
Oh yeah, yeah, I see it. All that inside missing a mortar. That parging that's on there is because it's above the box gutter. That's why it's still there. Oh.
Few termites have been using that.
Oh yeah, look at that. Termites use anything and everything.
But they can't go this far without food.
Right.
So they have to have an organic pathway.
And the moisture to go with it.
Right. So once this is gone, they don't have that path anymore.
Was this a nailer that was stuck in here?
Yeah.
Is that what?
Yeah. The denailer be gone.
Coming up. What do you think, kitten? Well, what have we discovered?
I think what we're gonna do, now that we've destroyed everything, it's not funny. I think the first thing we need to do is, we are in the storage room, and
We've already pulled up some of this floor a long time ago.
we did it on the news.
Yeah, we did.
So this double header, I'm gonna jack up to where it probably used to be.
Okay, one of these are rotten though, is it not?
Well, this is, I think this one's, it's been chewed on, but I think it's still serviceable. You know how that goes.
Yeah.
Can you see this?
Yeah.
This right here, that needs to be back up to where it was. I mean, there's some lifting off the top, but we can always nail it against that. This is only a 10-foot spread or something like that, so it doesn't need 2x12s. So, if we jack this up, put it back where it was, that'll take the weight of this floor
off of
the second and first floors.
Okay.
And then we can reevaluate.
Okay. These boards that trim and stuff, this top part, again, like we've said many times, is not original. And our thought is we want to put it back to as much original.
Well, and it's kind of be cool to see down the stairway.
Yeah, I think so. Well, while he's taking that out, you can see where they built a wall that used to not be here at all. And then this door. It's made out of the same stuff. So, no, I'm not sad to see that going.
Don't slide your hand along the rail yet.
No, there's a few nails in there, but
This is what they call porcupine trim.
yeah. But that's just pretty. That looks so much better.
It's not as pretty as you are.
Oh, thanks, baby.
Yeah. Anytime. So, it is what it is.
We decided to just keep going. And go ahead and just finish taking down this wall because we have to get underneath that wall anyway for the flooring. So, and that's not an original wall anyway. Wow, look at that.
Mess.
It's a mess, but wow, that really opens up the attic a lot. I mean, that's actually a really cool little spot over there.
Yeah, with no floor.
Oh yeah, it doesn't have any floor. That's really cool.
So now we got this all opened up. You already show them that?
Yeah, it looks great.
And we got a mess to clean up.
On every floor.
I didn't finish cleaning that up, but this here, that has to go up.
Okay, we did talk about that one going up.
And that one probably has to go up.
Okay. For all.
And that one's gone, so that one has to go up.
That one we're replacing, are we not?
We'll have to do something.
Yeah.
That's
So
true, so we've got to take that floor up.
once we get this done, then we can take the weight off of downstairs and be able to jack the rest of it up.
It's always something.
It's always something. All those have slipped though, that's why.
I know.
So.
It's trying to figure out how they need to be.
Mm-hmm. Yep. How much is it not level? Half inch, 3/4?
At least half an inch in. Half an inch in
that
2.5 feet.
Well, that's not good.
No. It's not ideal.
No. Hey, baby, what you doing down there?
Gonna take the electric chair out.
Hey. Yeah, it looks a little in rough shape.
It's never gonna move again.
No, it's not. Some of the screws come out really easy, or the bolts, and some of them,
Not so much.
not so much. Yep. Okay.
Like all of them. Rusted. Just like everything else.
Just like everything else in this house. Yep.
Well, I think I've got it all.
All right.
Now what do we do with it?
Well, that door is still shut. We were going to take it out and put it on the metal pile.
Funny how it seems that it's the only thing to do.
Whatever you do, don't go backwards down the
There's
stairs.
still one right there. I still hadn't got that one out.
Did you loosen it up?
Already got this loose. I just got, in order to pick it up, I gotta.
There it goes. Hey.
She's heavy.
Yeah, I tried to get a lot of the stuff out of her. Hey, look at that. Look at all that plaster I missed because it was tucked back underneath of it. Well, this is turning into be a bigger project than we thought. It's too heavy for us to lift, so we're kind of taking it apart piece by piece so we can get the chair off, because the chair we can't take apart because it's all rusted together. So we're doing what we can do. Okay.
Now, there shouldn't be anything holding the chair up.
We took the
the chain off.
up at
The
the
channels should be empty. The chain came off of that. So this is the first time this chair's moved in probably 20 something years. If it moves.
If it
It's
moves.
not still rusted. Oh,
It moved.
kind of. Lots of plaster debris in it.
There's a lot of plastic. I tried to get as much of it as I could.
What if there's any breaks on it?
I don't know.
Maybe it's just rusted.
I think it's just rusted. It was down here where a lot of the water was.
Well, there's kind of wheels in there. Anyway, let's try.
Tilting it.
I just don't want to poke a hole through the. I don't know, baby.
I don't know.
Do I got a hammer?
Yeah, I brought it down to you.
I hope these aren't worth anything. I wouldn't doubt it's just rusted in the spot.
Well, it's been in that spot for at least 20 years. Yeah. All right, we found the big sledgehammer. Let's see if that helps.
We got a big sledgehammer, a piece of pipe, and muscles.
Did it just slide?
It did.
Look at that. Okay. After a little decisive manipulation, we got it off.
Now the only problem is we gotta get this chain. There it goes.
Here it comes. Watch yourself. Just the chair itself is a little heavy.
I'll go ahead and try to take it away. So.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Ay, ay, ay. Huh, I know, kidding.
It's out.
It's out. Now we can get this other part.
A little more. I'm not gonna let it slam on each thing anyway.
Hang on. I can't go in front. Well, it's out the door, sorta.
Obviously, I can't do this one by myself, so I'll need your help.
Yeah, I'm coming. Got it? Okay. He's taking it to our metal pile there, back by the tenant house. Way back there. The steel track we just set over there. We'll get that with the tractor or with Bertha, one of the two. And of course, the seat right there, we'll get that with machines. Neither one of us want to carry it. What are you two doing? You look so sweet sitting there next to each other. Yeah, my pretty girls. Have you been helping me today? My sweet girls.